This is the Mileseey S50. This is much more of a laser measuring tool than it is a laser that just beams lines on walls and ceilings. One of its most basic functions is just taking a laser measurement. So you can push the button here, you'll see a green dot on whatever you're trying to take a measurement from, touch the button, and it immediately gives you a distance measurement. I regularly use this to measure ceiling heights, so I'll put this instrument on the floor and it'll beam a line up to the ceiling and give me a ceiling height. You can see here it's set to take a measurement from the back of the instrument right now, right here, but there's a button that you can press to toggle this to the midline of the laser. You can see it just gives you a line right there. Also, you can set it to taking a measurement off the front of the instrument here, so you could butt this up against something and take a measurement off the front. So to elaborate on that a little bit more, I can change the setting so that it's taking measurements from the midline of the laser, and it actually gives me a red line to follow as an indicator. So if I wanted to take a measurement from, say, this pencil line to something off in the distance, I can move this right to that line and take a measurement. If you go into the menu here, you'll see the plethora of other calculations that this will do for you. All kinds of different cylinder volume measurements, circular area, triangular areas, all kinds of geometric measurements that you can take with it. One that I use pretty regularly also, I just skipped past it, let me go back, is the volume calculation. So with the volume calculation, let's pretend that I was standing down in the bottom of a swimming pool, as a stupid example, and I'm in one extreme corner here, and I take a measurement across the length of the swimming pool, and then I take a measurement across the width of the swimming pool, and then from the top of the pool down to what I'm standing on, I take a measurement. It would actually store all three of those, calculate it, and give me a volume calculation. There's another pretty cool feature hidden in the menu section here. You go into the menu, you can do a lot of things in here, like change your units to standard or metric or any type of fraction. You can change the background color of the unit. You can do a whole bunch of things, turn the beeper on and off. But what I want to show you is this right here, this digital level. It acts as an actual bubble level here, which is really awesome. I was using this to check level plates at work for steel columns. So anyway, this is the S50 by Mileseey. In full disclosure, I did do a brand deal with these guys a couple weeks back. I'm free and clear of that now. I'm just letting you know about this thing because it is really like legit cool. I use it quite a bit at work when I can. I think it retails around $149, so I think it's pretty reasonably priced too. But check this out.